Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable recent folders in quick access, including the Save As and File Open dialog boxes. Open File Explorer, click View, show navigation pane. Click three dots, click Options. Check Show All Folders. Recent folder is not showing under Quick Access. Copy command from description and paste it. Right-click Recent Folders, click Pin to Quick Access. Recent folder is showing under Quick Access. Recent folder is not showing on Save As dialog box. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy first registry path from description and paste it and press Enter key. Right-click ShellFolder, click Permission. Follow the procedure. Copy second registry path from description and paste it and press Enter key. Now Save as dialog box recent folder is enabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.